Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by preparing the essentials: phone, camera permission, and internet. Open the Namma Metro app or QR scanner. This is where the QR code generator and scanner live. Once done, make sure camera access is allowed so the scanner reads codes fast. You should also have a valid ID or season pass ready, because staff may verify. This reduces delays and lets you focus on generating or scanning tickets quickly when you reach the gate. You now perform the core action. Choose your journey type and confirm station names so fare calculation is accurate. If you generate a code, tap Generate QR and follow payment prompts. If scanning at entry, select Scan QR and align the code in the frame. Hold the phone about 20 to 40 centimeters away for reliable reads. Once the fare appears, confirm or pay, and save a screenshot for backup. This ensures the code is valid, time-stamped, and accepted at gates. You finish by presenting the active QR code at the turnstile and watching for the green light or a beep. That confirms entry. If the scanner fails, try increasing screen brightness, refresh the QR in-app, or show the saved screenshot. These quick fixes often solve glare or motion problems. If problems persist, note the transaction ID and ask station staff or app support for help so they can validate payment or issue a manual pass. This closes the journey cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.